What's up, everybody? We're back with another video. It's day 3 of working on this motorcycle, working on my dad's bike. We're trying to get it together. And where I left off was the bike didn't have any oil pressure. It was showing every time I turned the bike on and ran it, it was 0.5. It showed 0.5 volts on the computer on the gauge. So I was wondering maybe if it was the setup wrong in the computer, where could it be the wiring or something, or I was hoping it wasn't mechanical because, you know, listen. But after further examination, turns out it's not electrical at all. It is in fact mechanical. But it's all right though, because I found out what the reason is, and we're gonna see if that fixes it. If this is it, then we're good to go. I should be able to put this bike together. We should have oil pressure and we should have the green light. I could put the chain on it and, you know, take it off this stand, and we'll get to that next. But so let me show y'all what I have. I had pulled all the clutches out and started to inspect everything. I didn't really see anything, you know, messed up too much. So I pulled it out to get down to this. Right here. This is my oil pump gear. And I just so happened to stick my hand behind here and look at that. It's not supposed to do that. I am going to be honest. I did not know that I was missing that. I'll be honest. When I put the clutch in, I wasn't even thinking about that. Wasn't even paying attention to it. But now that I am paying attention to it and thinking about it, I don't have one. When my dad took the original clutch out and went to go get this one, parts might have got moved around. Look, only he knows. So we just so happen to have a spare motor with the clutch still in it. So I'm gonna pull the clutch out of that one and get the oil pump drive gear out of that motor, so that way I can just put it into this one and we can order another one later, because that's the spare motor. We'll put that one together eventually, praying that this one doesn't, you know, I won't speak the words. All right, let me go. I'm gonna go over here to the motor, take that one out, and we'll come back over and put that in, see what happens next. Come on now, that's what we need. That thing, that baby that just hit the ground right there. Yeah, that's what we need right here. And then my game should be good to go. Feels the same. This is my piece right here that I was missing, and I'll show you where it goes. There it goes on the back. This thing is a little heavy. Goes on the back like this. That in turn spins that gear right there. And boom, bam, forget about it. We should have oil pressure. So let's get it, baby. That thing looks sweet sitting on the back of there now that I know what I'm looking at. All right, now when I put this in, this should go from doing that to I'm breathing all hard. Okay, she's sitting in place. Yep. That's it. Keep your fingers crossed as I put this back together, folks. Might be wraps for this. This thing might be done. Call it a day. So with that not spinning, I just have to put the clutch back in it, put the rest of the clutch back in it, put the top hat back on, tighten all the bolts down and everything. Put the cover back on it, tighten those down, put oil in it, and it should be good to go. Well, everything is done. That's everything. The clutch is all back together. The bike is 100% back together. Now all I have to do is just put my oil in it and start her up. Hopefully when I look at the computer screen, it'll be an actual number there versus 0 or 0.5 for the oil pressure. Let's see what's gonna happen. Is it gonna read right? Am I gonna fix it, or is it gonna be back to the drawing board? Let's see. While I was gone, I put oil in it. It's got all the quarts of oil it needs, and I drilled a hole in the fuel cap. Let's check underneath, make sure there's no signs of droppings. I don't see no oil running nowhere. You know. Alright. I unplugged the fuel injectors and I unplugged the coils, and I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna turn it over on all motor and see if that builds any pressure. So let's get into it. Right there, you hear it running. You see that? Dry. Okay. No leaks over there. Now, get that out the way. See, it says live. There you go. This is what I'm supposed to be looking at right here. This right there. So I'm gonna turn it over and see what happens. Nothing. This line right here. See, it has little jumps and ticks in it. It has little revolutions in it. So hopefully we might read something once I start it up. So let me go ahead and plug this up. Injectors. Boop. It's in there. And we're gonna do coils. Now, we're gonna see what happens to her. Let me turn it back off and turn it back on since I plugged that stuff back in. Fuel, no leaks. See what we can do here. Huh? Where? Oh no. Why? Yeah, it is. Where's that coming from? It's coming out of that. Wait. No. It's blocked off on the other side. So. Now that it has, look, now that it's got oil pressure, it's coming out from wherever it's supposed to come out at. I think that's where it was coming from. Yeah. See anything else I can, yeah. Yeah, I'd say that's probably about a quart. Oh, brand new oil. Oh well. At least it's still the same color as oil. Yeah, that's bad. That's so bad. Oh well, that oil pressure